Welcome to my 5 to 9. It's different every single day. And today we are going to the gym, taking piano lessons and cooking dinner. We just got off work, so we have to rush over to the gym before it gets super crowded. So let's go. Okay, got our gym fit on. We are ready to be athletic and flexible. I usually wear like a workout top and then throw on a sweatshirt over top, so here we go. I don't think that worked. Are you ready for the gym?
Nope, come on, let's go.
At the gym, I either do what Clay tells me to do because he is very smart and knows what I want, and you're muscular and I'm trying to get fit. Also, it's just good for you. So I feel like I'm finally getting that, like, oh, I like want to go to the gym. Like, that's never happened before in my life until a few days ago. So look at me, this is great. I've been drinking a lot of milk lately and I think that might have something to do with it.
What?
I did some arm workouts, but I felt awkward recording myself, so you're just gonna have to take my word for it. I did the Stairmaster for a little bit and then walked it out on the treadmill so that I wouldn't be sore for the next few days, and then finished the workout with a good run.
I have a theory. Once you start dripping sweat, you're allowed to go home now.
I use my favorite facial cleanser, and it has amazing ingredients and it smells delicious. Then I use the Dr. Bronner's Peppermint Pure Castile soap, which is just so refreshing. For shampoo and conditioner, I used this Gentle shampoo and this apple cider vinegar conditioner. Then let's get into the nighttime skincare routine. I'm just going to be applying some vitamin C serum to my skin, and this is the Mad Hippie kind. Love this, it's so good for your skin. And then on top of that, I just used some Cetaphil moisturizer. Also, this is the best non-toxic deodorant that I know of. It smells amazing, and it's in this cute little jar. Then after the gym, I just like to make this little refreshing mocktail. It's just 2 cubes of frozen ginger, 1 squeezed lemon, and then some limoncello LaCroix. It's just fun and tasty.
It's dinner time now, so I'm going to make some chicken with some crunchy chili onion seasoning from Trader Joe's, which is so delicious. I'm just throwing that into a pan with some onions. And then in another pan, I'm gonna throw in some chopped up peppers, some more onion. I really like onion, I guess, I don't know. And then I'm going to add some red wine vinegar, salt, pepper, and olive oil. Well, you heard it here first, folks. Piano lessons are not just for 8-year-olds. Full-grown women need to learn how to play piano too. Clay has been teaching me how to play piano, which is such a blessing because I've always wanted to learn how to play piano, and I've always been too lazy and too busy, but this is finally a season where I actually have time for it. I'm trying to do like 15 minutes a day, just slowly learn, and then hopefully one day, I'll be amazing. But for now, I'm messing up. But I'm proud of myself for learning.
Instead of playing my middle finger.
Oh, you do both of them.
So look what happened, what changed.
Exhibit 900 on why I married him. Russell has demanded that it is Russell time now. Okay, we're gonna go play. How often does Russell like to play?
Oh, every minute of every hour of every day. Except for Labor Day. He takes that day off.
Woo, good job, Russ. Oh!
After getting Russell's energy out and spending some time with him, I had my Bible time, and then I also have been reading this book called Loving Him Well by Gary Thomas. He is an incredible author, and Clay and I are also going through his Sacred Marriage book. Then 9 o'clock hits, and honestly, I've probably fallen asleep by now, but if not, we'll probably just watch one of our favorite TV shows. But in this case, I fell asleep. So good night, everybody. Sweet dreams.